Ik heb maar 2 minuten. Dat is wel jammer, want ik wilde...
Heb je er zin in?
Ja, jij ook? Hier. Weer zin in?
Helemaal zin. Heb ik al gefilmd, maar leuk. We have won this one. That's fucking great. Okay. Scissors. Hold up, hold up. Yeah. Even zo. Oh, dat is Sophie. Oh, hallo. Beer and another beer.
Yeah.
And just a beer. No, it's just a vlog.
It's the vlog.
It's a vlog.
Because that strange
What
random
do you
male
have to
has
say to
weed.
the vlog?
Oh yeah?
They're sending me to
Peace,
strangers.
just peace. Okay, vlog time. Oh! Pinky fucking blind. Yeah.
Whiskey for business.
What? You're drinking wine as a Peaky Blinder?
Something, but it's so ass. You gotta put on a fucking accent. You
Shut the
fucking do this
fuck
right.
up. You gotta give me
some fucking whiskey, man.
fucking business.
I need some fucking whiskey in me, motherfucker.
Business.
So sunglasses with duo carabiñers, and then we got the beer jacket
Okay.
alongside the multiple carabiner and the
Hey.
necklace as well.
Of course.
Yes.
Imke,
Oh,
show your fit, show your fit. Lopen, kut!
and that's me. All right, so we've got the tie, we've got the pants, and we've got one carabiner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a beautiful pumpkin
And that's
hat.
the hat,
And
that's
another
the
one
hat.
for Sophie that she.
Oh, Sophie needs a hat as well.
Hold on.
Oh yeah. Okay, okay.
And then reveal for Vera.
I have the one and only beer hat with my earrings, my necklace, and all of the carabiners.
Hell yeah.
Let me show the fit.
No.
You're in my heels right now. Oh, I'm in his bird.
Oh my god, hold on, I've got to get every piece. That's a pretty good piece.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. It's so hot.
We're getting dinner downstairs our place. Imke, show us how happy you are. Yeah.
When you have more stress.
Nom nom nom.
Zo heet.
Okay, tell us the plan. What's the plan?
Alright, so Sophie's coming back from her boyfriend.
Ugh.
In Butley, in England.
England.
And so we're welcoming her back. It is currently 11:30. And we're gonna welcome her back by welcoming her into the chaos. So, what we have done is, wait, I need to open this now. We were also gonna close and lock the door.
Put the doormat upside down.
We
So that's like the first hint
upside
of what's going on.
Like, why the fuck is the doormat upside down? Then she's gonna be like, why the fuck is my door locked? Then we're gonna have music playing really loudly. So she's gonna be like, why the fuck is there music coming from my room? Then as soon as she opens the door, boom, she hits the crates and she has to like, you know? And then she's welcomed with the view of my wheelchair and her plant in the wheelchair. The fuck?
The fuck?
Then, why the fuck is your table flipped upside down? The chairs as well. Why is there an old hang toss right there? The ice flash, she has just
The ice flash.
The
The ice ball. He's gonna get iced.
We have written on her windows.
I don't think
You
you
can't
can.
see, so it says "Welcome back."
Yeah.
It's all our dirty dishes here.
Yeah.
Icing on the cake. When all this says like, what the fuck, and she's tired from the trip and whatever, and then she wants to go in her cozy warm bed, and boom, there's another bottle of Smirnoff Ice waiting for her.
Yeah,
in her
so
covers.
she's gonna get iced twice.
Okay, we need to set it up.
For her.
Girl, what the fuck? No fucking way.
That's so cute.
Oh my god, that's incredible.
It's written. Put it on.
I know, she's done it before. One go. Let's
Really?
VIP. Let's kick it.
I might speed it up again.
Ice, baby. Ice, baby. Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights, and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance, rush the speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly, when I play a dope melody. Anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better gain weight. You better hit the bullseye, the kid don't play. And if there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the link.
Okay, the burps are gonna come in real fast.
It's like torture.
I keep getting brain freeze. Oh my god, this is horrible.
It's so cold. Oh my god.
Yeah.
No, y'all, please love me, I swear. Please love me. I'll love you back.
Okay. Bye bye.